Hello everyone, welcome back to Career Launcher. So guys, this is the third session of our new series, which is LRDI Basics to Advanced Level. So let's quickly look at the set. So the set reads as there are 7 researchers: Arjun, Bhavya, Charan, Deepak, Isha, Farhan, and Gauri, and they are leading team at 7 different scientific research institute, which are Proxima Labs, Quantix Research, Radion Labs, Synapse Institute, Trionics Lab, and Ultranova Research, and Varion Biotech, in any order. Okay, so there are 7 people who are, you can take the initials as well. So we have A, B, C, D, E, F, and G are the name of the 7 researcher, and we have different research institute as P, Q, R, S, T, U, and V. They are the research institute, and they are in any order. So we don't know who is where the Arjun is working, where Bhavya is working, and so on and so forth. Right now, each research team lead a team of scientists, and each team has a distinct number of members. That means what? This line is very important. Each team has distinct number of members, means all of the team will have different number of members. So no two team will have the same number of members, right? And all are the multiple of 5 less than 50. All are multiple of 5. So multiple of 5, that will be 5, 10, 5 into multiple of 5 into any natural number multiple. So 5 into 1, 5 into 2, this is 15, 5 into 3, 20, and so on. Okay, and this is less than 50, so this will go till 45. So 5 into 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and 45. So these are the 9 possibilities that we have with the team members. Now एक बार बाकी के given statements भी पढ़ते हैं, then we'll solve the set. The team from Ultranovo Research has the maximum number of members. Okay, so a given straightforward information. Second, the team led by Arjun and Bhavya have team size that are 2 consecutive multiple of 5. 2 consecutive multiple of 5. अभी हम लोगों ने multiple of 5 का मतलब समझा, ठीक है? And the same is true for the team led by Farhan and Gauri. And the same is true. Okay, so जो जैसे भव्या एंड अर्जुन वाले में इनके जो नंबर ऑफ टीम मेंबर्स है वो कंसेक्यूटिव मल्टीपल है, एंड फरहान के केस में भी वही होगा. सो ए एंड बी, फरहान एंड गौरी, सो दिस टू आर कंसेक्यूटिव. मतलब कंसेक्यूटिव मल्टीपल्स में 5 into 1 हुआ तो अगला 5 into 2 होगा, 5 into 2, 5 into 3. दे आर कंसेक्यूटिव, मतलब एक के बाद एक आने वाला नंबर्स, राइट? सो दीज आर द कंसेक्यूटिव मल्टीपल ऑफ 5. लेट्स लुक एट द थर्ड स्टेटमेंट. Exactly 3 teams have team size that are even multiple of 5. Now again, so the entire set is dealing with the numbers and their multiples, right? So 3 teams have the size which are even multiple of 5. Now even multiple of 5, that means 5 into even numbers, right? So 5 into 2, 5 into 4, 5 into 6. Fourth statement, Arjuna, who is from Proxima Labs, has 10 researchers in his team. This is the first statement which is giving us the direct data which we can use in our table, right? Fifth statement, the sum of the researcher in Ultranova research and Trionic Labs is twice the number of research. Okay, so we can frame a equation out of this. You can say U plus Ultranova plus Trionics. So U plus T is equals to Quantix. So U plus T equals to Q. So this is how you can make this, make the equations for the given statements, right? Sixth, दीपक लीड द टीम फ्रॉम द लोएस्ट नंबर ऑफ रिसर्चर. अब कौन सी टीम है नहीं पता, दीपक एंड उसमें कितने मेंबर्स है वो भी नहीं पता, ठीक है? 7, exactly 3 team have team size which are prime multiple of 5. And now again prime multiple of 5. So we have seen multiples of 5, then we have seen even multiples of 5, odd multiples of 5, and now it is prime multiple of 5. So this is basically prime number into 5. So first multiple of 5, first prime multiple of 5 will be 5 into 2, then 5 into 3, then 5 into 5. So 5 into prime numbers, right? And they are 3 consecutive such primes. Okay, okay. Now let's see the next statement. The sum of team size led by Arjun and Bhavya equals to the team size of S institute, right? So now we can say A plus B is equals to S. Synapse Institute, that is A plus B equals to S, right? And ninth statement is Isha who is from, again एक फिर से एक यहाँ पे डायरेक्ट डेटा मिला जिसको हम लोग डायरेक्टली अपने टेबल में पुट कर सकते हैं. Has the team size, so Isha who is from Quantix Research has the team size equals to the sum of Charan's team. Charan is a researcher, and the team from the size and the team size from the Radion Labs, which is a institute. Okay, so this is how this was all about the set. Now I ठीक ठाक ही है, स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड डेटा ज्यादा दिए हुए, बहुत ज्यादा कॉम्प्रिहेंशन नहीं है, थोड़ा सोचना पड़ेगा. एंड बेसिकली दीज आर नंबर बेस्ड अरेंजमेंट, राइट. एक बार जल्दी से क्वेश्चन देख लेते हैं. For how many researchers can we determine both the research institute they belong to and exact team size? Okay, so in that case अगर आप if you are able to completely fill the table, आराम से इसको आप आंसर कर सकते हो. Second question, if Gauri. Now this if is very important, as देखो ये इफ सोर्स की हो सकता है, देयर इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी कि आप अपना टेबल ही कंप्लीट नहीं कर पाओ विद द गिवन इंफॉर्मेशन. सो जितना इंफॉर्मेशन दिया हुआ है उतना इंफॉर्मेशन सफिशिएंट नहीं है टू कंप्लीटली फिल द टेबल एंड यूनिकली टेल कि कौन से रिसर्चर कौन से लैब में या कौन से इंस्टीट्यूट में काम करता है और कौन से उसमें उसके टीम में कितने नंबर ऑफ मेंबर्स हैं. यूनिकली बताना हो सकता है कि वो सारे के सारे के लिए पॉसिबल ना हो, एंड दैट इज वाई सम एक्स्ट्रा इंफॉर्मेशन इज गिवन फॉर द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. For जैसे Gauri led the team with a maximum number of research members. Now this is the information which is not provided in the set but provided in this question number 2. So what is the sum of number of members in the team led by Farhan and the team from Quantix Research and Synapse Institute, right? That means what? This is the extra information which is provided. Now mind it guys, you need to use this statement in the question number 2 only. This is not the universal data for the set, right? This information can only be used in the statement number 2. Now let's try to solve the set. Now so first of all, whatever data that we have, एक बार जल्दी से टेबल में फिल कर देते हैं. So we have researchers and their institute and the number of members. एक को फिक्स कर देते हैं. सो लेट्स से कि हम लोग यहाँ पे नेम ऑफ रिसर्चर्स को फिक्स कर देते हैं. सो रिसर्चर्स आर ए, सो विच इज अर्जुन. यू कैन यूज द initials of all these names. Arjun, A, Arjun, Bhavya, Charan. So I am using the initials A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Right? They are leading the and accordingly हम लोग इसके अंदर data fill कर लेंगे. ठीक है? Now we know that each team has distinct number of members and all being multiple of 5. So now let's write all the possibilities that we have. So we have possibility 5, 10, 15, 20, and then 25, 30, 35, 40, and 45. That's the maximum, right? We cannot go 50 or beyond 50. Okay? Now the team with the team from Ultranova Research has the maximum number of team. Okay, so Ultranova has, so I can write one information, I can write it here. U has the maximum number of members. You can use that later. ठीक है, अभी use नहीं कर सकते. The team led by the Arjun and Bhavya have the team size that are 2 consecutive multiples of 5. 2 consecutive multiples of 5. अभी मैंने ये समझाया है. 2 consecutive multiples का मतलब है 5 consecutive multiples. So in consecutive numbers are what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are consecutive numbers. So consecutive multiples of 5, that can be 5 into 1, 5 into 2. Consecutive multiples. 5 into 6 into 5 into 5 into 6, 5 into 7, consecutive multiple. 5 into 12, 5 into 13, consecutive multiple, right? The same is true for the team led by फरहान एंड गौरी. फरहान एंड गौरी के साथ भी वही है. ठीक है, बट अभी इनको यूज नहीं कर सकते. सो लेट्स पुट दीज 2 स्टेटमेंट्स ऑन होल्ड फॉर सम टाइम एंड जब जरूरत पड़ेगा तो इसको यूज करेंगे, पर अभी डायरेक्टली उसको यूज नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. स्टेटमेंट नंबर 3. Exactly 3 teams have the team size which are even multiples of 5. Okay, so out of these numbers we have even multiples of 5. Even multiple of 5 क्या होगा? That will be 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, right? These are even multiples of 4. So the rest will be odd multiples, right? So odd multiples भी लिख लेते हैं. So odd multiples will be 5 and 5 and 15 and then 25, then 35, just I'll write it again, 5, then this is 10, 25, 15, 25, 35 and 45. Now, as the statement says, as it says, exactly three teams have the team size which are even multiple of 5. That means what, यहाँ जो even multiple of 5 जो चार numbers दिख रहे हैं उसमें से सिर्फ 3 ही number चलेगा, 3 will be there in our table and 1 will be eliminated. तो since अभी देखो यहाँ पे जैसे 9 multiples है हमारे पास, तो इन 9 multiple में से सिर्फ 7 ही अपने टेबल में आने वाला है. That means what, एक नंबर यहाँ से एलिमिनेट होगा और एक नंबर बाकी के 3 नंबर टेबल पे आएंगे. सिमिलरली अब यहाँ पे यू हैव 5 नंबर्स, इन 5 नंबर से भी एक नंबर जाएगा क्योंकि टोटल 9 पॉसिबिलिटी जिसमें 7 को ही यूज करना है. तो एक नंबर यहाँ से एलिमिनेट होगा, एक नंबर यहाँ से एलिमिनेट होगा, वो बाद में पता करना पड़ेगा कि कौन सा नंबर है जो हमारे टेबल में आएगा, कौन सा नंबर है जो जिसको हमको एलिमिनेट करना है. ठीक है. नाउ स्टेटमेंट नंबर 5, द सम ऑफ रिसर्चर फ्रॉम अल्ट्रानोवा एंड ट्रायोनिक्स लैब इज ट्वाइस द नंबर ऑफ रिसर्च. ठीक है. सो यहाँ पे लिख देता हूँ. सो यू ultranova, U for ultranova plus T trionics is equals to twice the number from quantics, that is equals to 2Q. यहाँ पे इसको यूज करेंगे थोड़ी देर के बाद. ठीक है. नाउ एक यू नीड टू बी क्लियर दैट one out of these number, ठीक है, one out of these number 10, 20, 30 and 40 has to be has three number will be in our table and one will be eliminated. And similarly, from odd multiples, out of 5 possibility, 1 will be eliminated and 4 will be in our table, right? Now, statement number 6. Okay, we left the statement number 4. I'm sorry. So let's quickly check the statement number 4. Arjun, who is from Proxima, so Arjun, who is from P. So I'll put P here. Arjun, who is from P, has 10 researchers in his team. Okay, so Arjun has 10 researchers in his team. Now, in that case, now if you quickly go to statement number 2, it says team led by Arjun and Bhavya have the team size which are two consecutive multiples of 5. अभी मैंने समझाया था. So in that case, Bhavya will have either 10 and 15 is consecutive multiple and 5 and 10 is also consecutive multiple. लो है ना. So देखो 5 and 10 एक possibility हो सकता है and 10 and 15 can be the other possibility. तो यहाँ पे वही किया हुआ है. ठीक है. So from merging statement number 4 and half part of 2, we can conclude Arjun will have 10 members in his team and Bhavya will have either 5 or 15. Now statement number 6. Deepak led the team with the lowest number of. Now use the statement number 6 directly and now you will come to know that B will have exactly 15 members because Deepak has to lead the team with the lowest number of members. So D has to be 5. So ये मेरा 5 हो जाएगा और फिर now I can uniquely say the number of members with B. तो यहाँ पे B के पास 5 हो जाएगा. I think that is clear to everyone, right? तो 6 we are done with. 5th हम लोगों ने काम कर लिया, 4th पे काम कर लिया and even 3 पे भी काम कर लिया. स्टेटमेंट नंबर 2 का आधा स्टेटमेंट अभी हमारे काम के लिए बचा हुआ है और अभी स्टेटमेंट 1 को यूज नहीं किया है. नाउ 7th, exactly 3 team with have team size which are prime multiple of 5 and these number are 3 consecutive prime multiple of 5. सबसे पहले prime multiple of 5 लिखेंगे तो 5 into 2 आएगा, 5 into 3 आएगा, right? 5 into 5 आएगा, then 5 into 7 आएगा, then 5 into 11 आएगा and so on. But we cannot write this, we cannot use this cannot be used because that will exceed the number of members to by 50, right? So 50 से ज़्यादा हो जाएगा तो this cannot be in R. So we are left with 1 2 3. So this is 10, this is 15, this is 25 and this is 35 and it says exactly 3 teams have the team size which are prime multiple of 5 and these 3 have to be consecutive prime numbers, which are now you need to be careful since we have 10 and 15 in the table already, right? So these two numbers have to be in our table, right? And these on all 3 prime multiples 5 has to be consecutive, right? तो ये तीनों को तो consecutive है, मतलब हमारे टेबल में 10, 15 and 25 आएगा, 35 नहीं आएगा. दैट मीन्स व्हाट, जो हमारे पास 5 पॉसिबिलिटीज थे ऑड मल्टीपल्स वाले तो वो उसमें से 35 एलिमिनेट हो जाएगा एंड रेस्ट ऑल 4 विल बी इन आवर टेबल. दैट शोज कि 45 इज द बिगेस्ट नंबर, सबसे बड़ा वाला नंबर 45 है. दैट मीन्स व्हाट, यू विल हैव 45 members. You will have 45 members, right? So we have 10, 15, 25 and 35 is eliminated, right? I think it is pretty much clear to everyone. So 7th is done. Now statement number 8. The sum of team size led by A and B is equal to the S Institute. Synapse Institute के अंदर कितने हैं? The number of the team members, which is the sum of the team members of Arjun and Bhavya, which is 10 plus 15. So now I can say S will have 10 plus 15, which is 25 members. So S के पास कितने members? 25. So I'll write this 25. ठीक है? I think इतना सबको clear है? Now इसको erase कर देते हैं. Now u plus t is equals to 2 cube. Now this is we can use now this data, right? Now since we know that it has u has 45, so this is 45, and since 2 there is the number of u plus t is a multiple of 2, that multiple of 2, which shows the sum of number of members of u and t has to be an even number, and that is why this is because this is 2 cube. That means that number has to be divisible by 2, or else you can say q is equals to u plus t divided by 2. So u plus t has to be an even number, q की even number, and ये फ्रैक्शनल और ये इवन नंबर इसलिए बोल रहा है क्योंकि ये ऑड होगा तो q का वैल्यू फ्रैक्शनल आ जाएगा. द नंबर ऑफ मेंबर्स कैन नॉट बी फ्रैक्शन. आधा लोग नहीं हो सकता है, 5.5 लोग नहीं हो सकता है, 3.5 लोग नहीं हो सकते हैं, राइट? सो दिस u प्लस t हैज टू बी अ इवन नंबर, राइट? अगर इवन नंबर है तो विल पुट सम पॉसिबिलिटी. चलो सारे पॉसिबिलिटी देखते हैं. नाउ t कैन हैव 5. t अगर मैं t को 5 दे दूं, t को 5 दे दिया तो 45 प्लस 5 इज कितना? 45 प्लस 5 इज 50. सो तो q, so I can write it as u plus t is equals to 2q. so u के सारे possibilities देख लेते हैं, और u के possibilities, t के possibilities and q के possibilities मैं यहाँ पे लिख के आपको explain कर रहा हूँ. so u t q, u is 45. अगर t का value 5 हो गया, so 45 plus 5 is 50 and q will be half of 50, which is 25. so ये 25 हो गया, but q cannot have 25 because s has 25. so ये तो eliminate हो गया आपका, right? Second possibility 45, u has fixed 45, right? now अगर आप इसको 10 दोगे ना तो the sum will be odd number, which is not possible. अभी समझाया था, so it cannot be. so t has to be a odd multiple of 5. so this will be 15, right? or else you can say 45 plus this will be 25. next will be 45 plus 35, but that is again not possible because 35 is not in our table, and the next will be 45 plus 45. this cannot also not be possible because यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ each team has distinct number of team members, so u and t both cannot have 45, right? so we are left with two possibilities. check करते हैं इसको जल्दी से. 45 plus 15 which is equals to 60. 60 का आधा होता है 30. okay, so in that case 30 will be the possibility. आगे देखते हैं. 45 plus 20 is 65 plus 70, so this is 70. so the q will have 35, but अभी हम लोगों ने देखा है कि 35 cannot be in our table, so this possibility is also gone. now in that case we are left with only one possibility, that u will have 45 members. यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ t will have 5 members and finally q will have 30 members. right? q will have 30 members. फटाफट अगर कुछ है अपने पास तो हम लोग पुट कर लेते हैं. so u अभी नहीं पुट कर सकते. okay, we can put for d, right? तो यहाँ पे d के 5 मेंबर है and d 5 मेंबर है तो this is from t. so d is working with ट्रायोनिक्स लैब्स के अंदर वो d is working. d stands for दीपक is working in ट्रायोनिक्स lab which has 5 members, right? so I think इतना क्लियर है. I will erase the extra rough वाला पार्ट, इसको हटा देते हैं. Now let's read further. Now the sum of team size, so we are done with this as well. ठीक है, so 8th को काम कर लिया. now Isha who is from Q, okay, Isha direct data सीधे put करते हैं. so Isha who is from Q has the team size equals to the sum of Charan team. okay, so I'll write Charan team and the team from Radion labs, Charan plus Radion, and that is equals to the team of Isha, or you can say Quantix Q. but and do we know the number of members? no, नहीं पता अभी. ठीक है, Okay, so we know that the queue has 30 members. Okay, so the queue or Isha will have 30. So Isha is working in queue and we already have found that queue will have 30 members. तो यहाँ पे 30 हम अपने टेबल में पुट कर देते हैं. Now 30 कैसे आ सकता है? I can say this is 25 plus 5 एक possibility है, 5 and 25 दूसरा possibility, right? दो पॉसिबिलिटी. अब देखते हैं एक बार. चरण कैन नॉट हैव 5 बिकॉज डी हैज 5, तो इज इक्वल्स टू 30. ये वाला पॉसिबिलिटी आपका खत्म हो गया. ठीक है, चरण 25 हो सकता है, रेडियन 5 हो सकता है. रेडियन 5 हो सकता है क्या? एक बार चेक करते हैं. रेडियन को अगर 5 दे दिया, नहीं, टी के पास 5 है, सो दिस पॉसिबिलिटी इज ऑल्सो गॉन. ये भी पॉसिबिलिटी काम नहीं कर रहा है. राइट, आई थिंक दिस इज प्रीटी मच क्लियर. अगला पॉसिबिलिटी, अगर आप इसको 20 एंड प्लस 10 कर देते हो और 10 प्लस 20 करते हो तो ये काम करता है कि नहीं? चलो देख लेते हैं एक बार. तो कैन चरण हैव 10? नो, 10 एंड 20 कैन नॉट बी पॉसिबल फॉर चरण एंड रेडियन बिकॉज 10 इज फ्रॉम अर्जुन और इंस्टीट्यूट पी. तो अगर चरण 10 नहीं हो सकता है और अगर चरण 20 है तो फिर आपको सिंस पी हैज 10, so अब वो भी नहीं हो सकता है क्योंकि P is already done with Arjun, right? So this is also gone. Now another possibility, let's see, can we have 15 and 15? 15 plus 15 is a possibility left, right? So this is 15 plus 15, that is equals to 30, but that is not possible case. So have we done any mistake? Because Charan को अगर 25 दे दिया, one possibility is there. Okay, I'm so sorry guys. So one possibility is there. If we'll see, if you can say that Charan has 25 members. If Charan has 25 members, then Radion will have 5 members. Radion will have 5 members, but Radion cannot, that possibility is gone. And if Charan is, no, because D has 5 members. Okay, okay. Q has 30 members, T has 5 members, which we already have done, or have T will have, I'm so sorry guys, T will have 15 members, not 5 members. It was a mistake here. So T will have, because let me explain it jaldi se ek bar. U plus T was equals to 2Q, right? So this has to be this has to be 45 plus 15, then this will be 2Q. So that has to be 15 that case, 15 that, right? So D will have 15 members, not 5 members. I'm so sorry. यहाँ से ये भी सही था, but हम लोगों ने बस गलती से गलत जगह पे लिख दिया. So B will have 15 members. B has 15 members. So this B will be working in the company team, not D will be working. Now will work the possibility. Since all the possibility is gone, now we are left with only possibility that either Charan will have 25 members or 5 members. Since D has 5 members, so Charan has to have 25 members. So it will have 25 members. अगर यहाँ पे 25 हो गया, so C will have 25 members, and C has 25 members. So the Radion Institute or Radion Lab will have 5 members. So this has to be Radion. So ये मेरा R हो जाएगा. C has 25. So 25 अपने पास किसका है? S का है. So this will be S. I think pretty much this is I think सबको clear है इतना, ठीक है? Now, so I think all the data that we have used as of now. Now one thing is remaining, which is this. The same is true. The team led by Arjun and Bhavya have the team size that are 2 consecutive multiples of 5. The same, okay, and the same is true for Farhan and Gauri. F and G के लिए भी same ही true है. And you need to now think about this कि हमारे साथ consecutive multiples हो क्या है? 5 and 10 is a consecutive multiple, but 5 and 10 is already used. 10 and 15 already used. 15 20 already used. 20 25 already used because S has 25. 25 30 already used. 30 35 used. 35 40 35 cannot be in our table, so it cannot be used. And 15 and 20, 15 is already used, so 15 and 20 cannot be with the F and G, right? So we are only left with 40 and 45. So now this will be either 40 or 45, and this will be 45 or 40. Now we are left with only two companies or 2 institute, which is U. So F will be either U or V, or this will be V or U. This was the complete data provided to us and based upon that हम लोगों ने ये table frame करा है. ठीक है, based upon this table, let's try to solve the questions of this set. Question number one says, how many researchers can we determine both the research institute they belongs to and the exact number of the team size they belong. Okay, so अभी हम लोगों ने देखा कि for A, B, C, D, E and E, and for these we can uniquely say the name of the institute that they are working and the number of members. So 1 2 3 4 5, so the answer will be 5. So answer is 5. यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 5. Okay, now if Gauri, अभी मैंने समझाया था कि this information, the extra information is given only for question number 2. If Gauri leads the team with the maximum number of researchers, okay, and this information will only be used for solving question number 2, right? Now Gauri will have the maximum number, so Gauri will have 45, and if this is 45, Gauri will be working in U, and अगर ये U है तो यहाँ पे V हो जाएगा. मैंने सर्कल मार्क करा है वो जहाँ पे जो पॉसिबल वैल्यू जो निकल के आया, so this will be 40, है ना? So Farhan will be working in V, Gauri will be working in U, Gauri will have 45 members and Farhan will have 40 members. Then आगे पढ़ते हैं. What is the sum of number of researchers in the team led by Farhan and the team Quantix? And so Farhan में कितने, एक बार देख लेते हैं. Farhan will have 40 members. Okay, so Farhan is 40 plus Quantix में कितने members हैं? Quantix में 30 members, so 40 plus 30 plus Synapse में कितने हैं? Synapse में S will have 25, so this is plus 25. So the total number of members will be 70 plus 25, that is 95. So the answer for the second question is 95. बहुत ही अच्छा set. Everyone, you must have tried it by your own, and hope you have enjoyed the set. Guys, if you have liked and at any point of time, if these sessions are helpful for you, please share with all the CAT aspirants that you know, your friends, your family, anyone, and please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more contents. Thank you.